Hi guys, this is Lauren from Titan Robotics. Today I'm going to show you how our real-time plots work in our flight stand software. This is a fairly basic feature, but we've had added some personalizations so you can make the experience truly unique to you. So I'm starting on our manual control tab. I've already connected two simulated powertrains, and I'm going to activate their ESCs here and pull up their sliders to start bringing in some simulated data. And then I'll drag up the real-time plots window here. There's a couple ways to do it. You can drag it up as high as you want. You can use these arrows here to pop it up or down. And you can also pop it out in a completely separate window if you like, which is great if you're using more than one screen. So in terms of the customizations, the first thing here is which powertrains you want to see. So you can have both or just one or none visible. It's up to you. This slider here controls how much time is seen on your x-axis, so the default is 30 seconds, but you can see more time if you like, or less time, or just leave it at the default. The layout button pulls up this window, which controls how you view the different plots. So you can drag and drop them to change the order if you like, pull the things you want to the beginning. You can also toggle charts on and off if there are certain pieces of data you don't necessarily want to see. And the number of columns just changes the layout, so you can have bigger charts or smaller charts but see more at once. And again, the default is 3 columns. So now these two buttons here, the first one is to pause it in case you want to look at a snapshot of your data. When you toggle it back off, it'll just jump ahead to where you left your test. You can also show unfiltered data, so by default we add a 1 Hz low pass filter to smooth out your readings, but if you'd like to see your unfiltered data in addition, you can do that here. And that covers all of the personalizations you can do when viewing your real-time plots. We've created these options based on feedback from clients, so if there's any features you'd like to see, don't hesitate to let us know either in the comments or via email. Thanks for watching.